Nerve endings, yes. That's exactly
And
what they
these
are.
would be the
Free nerve endings, yeah.
okay.
Free nerve ending.
Free nerve endings, exactly. Free dendrites.
Um,
These also are encapsulated nerve endings.
Okay.
oh,
I'm
they're
not
up
going to
at the
get into
top
the
as
details.
well.
And you were saying something about the folds.
Follicle, right. Notice, so this is epidermis that folds in and forms the follicular.
And the submucosa and mucosa. Or
That's
no,
not here.
that's
We have epidermis,
the
dermis.
sebaceous and
Yeah.
pseudoriferous.
So sebaceous glands here. I'm not going to talk about the armpit because that's a little different, but sebaceous glands generally on the body are associated with the follicle. So this would be a sebaceous gland, this would be sebaceous glands. For most of the body, pseudoriferous glands go directly up to pores. The exception to that is in the armpits and the groin, the pseudoriferous glands supply. They empty on the follicle, but I'm not going to confuse you guys with that.
Please don't.
Okay. Then you have your layers of epidermis. All of this is dermis. This is hypodermis. It's going to be adipose, right?
That is
This is
not.
going to be lots of dense irregular connective tissue.
Do we
through
need to
here.
know papillary and
The papillary region of the dermis, reticular region of the dermis. You need to know this stratum basale here is very important because it's got regenerative cells, so they're undergoing mitosis in here and forming new baby keratinocytes. And so the keratinocytes will make their way up, eventually up here, the stratum corneum. You've just got dead keratinocytes, right? You also have melanocytes down in here in the stratum basale. Yeah.
and then it's a granulum. The next one up is a granulum.
I'm not going to test on the rest of it.
Okay.
No.
In the palmar and plantar skin, you have the stratum lucidum, the extra layer. And this is thick, aka thick skin.
And that's just,
Blood supply, yeah, capillaries, artery veins.
you don't need to know those.
You should. I mean, I usually. Oh, and this guy. What's this guy?
Erector pili.
Erector pili muscle. Yeah.
And then we need to know the structure of the hair follicle.
Nope. Follicle.
Wow.
Oh,
Follicle.
okay.